What have you been using today? Are you on the dust?
They ask that question every day. In Stoke-on-Trent, they're dealing with the fallout of a synthetic drug that you may not have heard of. Monkey dust makes it sound like a joke, but up close, it's pretty ugly. The man on top of the building was on it. Moments later, he'd jumped. He landed on a car and was then straight up grappling with the police.
When we are trying to restrain him, it could be like, almost like trying to restrain the Incredible Hulk. The strength is unbelievable.
The police can't explain why it's so concentrated around North Staffordshire, but this summer it's reaching crisis point.
I think 90% of the people I know are on it.
90%?
Yeah, the people I know is on dust. If not like more. That's how bad it is. I don't think there's anything anybody can do.
And they are the fairly typical users, people with chaotic lifestyles, dependency issues and of no fixed abode. And they're picking up this drug for £2 or £3 a go. It's cheaper than a pint.
Hello, yeah. Stay still, because you've really hurt your arm, matey.
In this ambulance, another that feels no pain. He's broken his arm, the bones are sticking out. And just look at how many people are needed to get him into A&E at the Royal Stoke Hospital.
First time I ever got spat at was a patient who had taken monkey dust completely uncontrolled. I was trying my hardest to get a line into them to be able to give them the sedatives they needed.
Not every patient turns violent, but those that do can be a nightmare.
Whereas previously we've seen drugs of recreation, we're increasingly seeing this as a drug of abuse. It's a fairly new agent and we've seen massively increased use. Although we don't collect the data anecdotally, we know we're dealing with a huge increase in numbers.
It's reached the point where paramedics are now considering whether they need body armour.
I had an instance where I went to two of them who were on monkey dust and they were running in and out of the traffic. So not only are they a danger to themselves, they are a danger to the public. It is like an epidemic and something does need to be done.
Who is this? Is your son?
Yes, he is. It wasn't mine.
There is, though, no obvious solution. Rehab doesn't always work, and they can't pinpoint where the supply is coming from. All they know is that they can't go on like this. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, North Staffordshire.